kitchen. Hello, sir. Is it Yemeni food? Yemeni? No. Afghani? Oh. Can I see? Is it okay to see? Wow. This is potato, huh? Potato.
You speak Arabic?
No. It's Afghani.
No.
Oh, it's okra. Chicken. Beef? Afghani. What do you call this in Afghani?
Can
Name?
push.
Ush. Ush. Ush.
Musakal.
Musakal. Musak.
Bamia.
Bamia.
Musaka.
Musaka. And
Chorba.
food?
Chorba.
Chorba.
Yeah.
Chorba. Look at this. And this here? Is it chicken inside? What? Look at this thing. So the chicken inside? Here. Oh. Wow. What do you call this one? The chicken name for Afghan? Chicken.
Mur.
Mur. Mur. Wow. Look at this. Mur. Kitchen, folks. So lucky to have met this wonderful gentleman from Afghanistan, and he's run me down with the lunch coming up this afternoon. Beautiful. Beautiful. I am delighted because of this joy of food and excitement in this country. Everyone comes from all over the world. To Saudi Arabia. This is incredible contraption to make chicken. I can see. Oh, look. Oh, what do you call this name?
That's brinj.
Biryani.
Rose. Arabi rose.
Arabi rose.
Only brinj.
Afghani biryani. Same?
Yes.
All right. Same style?
White rice roll.
Oh, white.
This way.
Oh, wow. And white rice. Nothing. Oh. Thank you, sir. Wow.
Moya?
Huh?
Moya.
Unbelievable. These are. It's amazing. I think he's trying to give me something. Is it Oh no, I have. Oh, look, he's giving me a bottle of water. Thank you, sir. Wow, amazing, amazing. Shukran. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Right? And you opened up all this. Food has been cooked in here. I've got rice, chicken. Wow, amazing, amazing, amazing. Thank you, sir. Look at this rice, folks. Amazing.